G'day. So, a little while back, we bought one of these sensor lights to go on the stairs. And we just bought one because we wanted to check out how well it would work outdoors before purchasing any more. We bought this for, I think it's going on a month and a half ago now. Anyway, my wife got on me last night because I still hadn't taken it out of the house to set it up and try it. So I came out this morning to set it all up and took it all out of the packaging and opened it up. And when I went to put it together, that spring was not there. So when you put the batteries in, the last battery wasn't actually making any connection. So the fact that I don't think I can even find my receipt now, and that it's been at least 6 weeks and I don't want to leave the house, I ran up to the study and just went looking for an old spring-loaded click pen and grabbed the spring that comes off the front section, you know, the one that goes around here, so it gives it a bit of tension going in and out. That was this spring here, but I cut it in half with a pair of the side cutters just to shorten in length. Got in here, just pried this out a little bit so that I could wind it into the hole that was there. That probably looks blurry. I don't know if that's blurry to you or just me because of my eyes. But anyway, wound that in. Get the batteries. I'm a bit unco one-handed. And beautiful. So no need to panic if there's no spring in the battery compartment, which I do not know how this passed quality control for it to come out with a spring missing in here, especially when the little packet of mounting screws was inside this compartment. Like they had it screwed shut and then you open it out and there's your mounting screws or your double-sided tape, depending on where you're going to put it. So spring was missing then. Anyway, it's working now.